Like,
You think what has to?
The hell man.
Host में
यहाँ पे host नहीं है, तुम ही अलग बोल रही हो। यहाँ पे host है, यहाँ पे crew है।
Don't wait for the host, because यहाँ पे host नहीं ghost है।
Are you serious? अगर मूवी में पीछा छूट क्या हो गया यार? ये तो यहाँ पे भी आ गया।
You know, don't worry यार, movie में handle कर लिया मैंने। We'll handle him here also. Where is he? Host.
हैंडल तो तब करोगे जब मेरे सवालों का जवाब दोगे। अच्छा इमरान, आप मेरी तरह और कितने घोस्ट को परेशान करेंगे? आपका पेट नहीं भरा क्या?
अच्छा, where am I supposed to look first for? कहाँ हो?
वो कहाँ?
मैं हर जगह।
सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने इनको परेशान किया है फिल्म में।
So Kriti, do you believe in spirits?
Yes, I do. I have one sitting right next to me.
Oh.
और आप भी तो हो।
अच्छा इमरान, आप इतनी हॉट हीरोइंस को रोमांस करते हैं, हम भूतों को भी कुछ टिप्स दे दो।
यार, it's very simple. Use a nice mouthwash. Not romance the girl, and just go for the kill. Yeah.
वही तो पूछ रहे कैसे करें रोमांस? What's your idea for that?
Dude, this is just going flop. I thought that I'm going to scare the, these two, but ये लोग बिल्कुल भी डरते नहीं हैं। तो
We are the pros.
Yeah, I mean, and you are definitely a pro. इतनी बार भूतों को हैंडल कर चुके हैं. So are you like friends with them on Facebook now?
Of course, they generally are on Twitter, and some of them have Facebook accounts.
Yeah.
So we always interact with that.
Okay.
They don't like calling up or paying me a visit.
They just
always
pay you.
on social networking.
That's brilliant. And since we are talking about social network, this is Facebook Live with Imran and Kriti, who loves spooky. She's carrying like
I'm wearing
bugs on
bugs,
her
yes.
band. Oh, why?
Well, it goes with the feel of the movie, don't you think?
Yeah, it does. It does. So Imran, Raz is one franchise which is incomplete without you. ये आपका fourth installment है, right?
Fourth in the sense, first one में मैं assistant director था, but as an actor, this is the third one.
Okay, so ये कौन सा भूत है जो आपको वापस ले आता है? Like, what is your connection with ghosts? Why do you love them so much?
I think one of the ghosts and the reasons why I do this again and again is Vikram Bhatt.
Okay.
He has established himself as the ghost who likes to spook the audiences for almost a decade now. और उन्होंने एक तरह से इस art form को master कर लिया है. And whenever he says he's going to be making a horror film, I am up for it because he really knows how to press the buttons as far as horror films go, and he's really monopolized it. This तरह horror का franchise, Raz franchise, has been started off in 2001, so that's quite a long-standing franchise to have. And every other year, the collection of the film box office exponentially increased. Last film हमने की थी, which almost clocked to 80-84 crores at the box office, which is a phenomenal, box office for a horror. Apparently a limited genre film. So yeah, he's the spirit behind us.
Super. Do you also think Vikram Bhatt is like a ghost?
Yeah, he haunts you. Trust me, you need to spend some time with him and he will haunt you.
Yeah. So you're such a pretty girl. Why didn't you think of she's laughing? I was just chance mara tha. But why didn't you choose a rom-com to come to Bollywood? You said no, I'm going to do a scary movie.
See, honestly, when you're starting off now, it's not you who chooses the film; it's the film that chooses you. Another thing, I didn't really actively make an attempt to be able to do something here. Maybe that's another reason. अगर वैसे होता ना, then you make an effort to go out there and pitch yourself. But I was very fortunate, and I think God's been very kind in that way that this came to me while I still hadn't even moved to Bombay, and I wasn't considering moving to Bombay anytime soon. For a very simple reason that I was very set in my own ways in Bangalore. I was very happy doing South cinema. I'm still very happy doing South cinema. So it just happened to me by chance. I wouldn't have taken it up if I didn't think the role was challenging for me. But as an actor who's worked in so many films down south, it was time that I wanted to try something new. Horror is not a genre you make every day.
Yeah.
Like he said, Raz is coming after 3 years, and between them been just 1 or 2 films that have come and gone and not really left a mark.
Yeah.
So I would really like to think that when you are coming into the industry, you rather come in with something that is going to come in with a bang.
And the man sitting on the right of you always ensures a good box office opening. Yeah. So Imran, tell me something on a serious note. Do you believe in the supernatural, ghosts and Bhoot and Chudel?
The irony is I've done most of the ghost and Chudel movies here in our country, but I'm a hardcore skeptic. I've yet to see one, and the day I see one, I will start believing in it. But that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. I'm a respectful skeptic. I believe that there are people out there who perform black magic. There are these concepts in every culture. It might be in Hinduism, you have the concept of bhuts, you have in Japanese cultures, every culture around the world. In Muslims you don't have ghosts, but you have the concept of jinns. So there, there's no smoke without fire. There has to be something that is real and out there that for people to really talk about it and talk about their paranormal experiences. As far as science goes, there's this very wonderful thesis that Albert Einstein had said. He said that it's all about the energy in our bodies, and it cannot be, it can't be created, it can't be destroyed.
Yeah.
So this energy has to go somewhere after the body deteriorates, after the physicality that fades through. And so science can't describe it. So there has to be something out there, and I'm really waiting to meet a ghost. I really am, but unfortunately, I can only see them in my films.
Well, you can meet my producer without makeup, you'll actually see her.
Right.
But no, on a serious note, like seriously, huge round of applause for this guy who just doesn't talk about protein shakes and abs. Such a well-read actor. Tell me something, was it difficult to break ice with him? Because I've heard that he's not, very outgoing, he's not an extrovert. You don't see him really at parties and page 3 events.
Yeah, I mean, you won't see me either.
You're also like that?
No, that's something I don't enjoy.
Actually,
going out.
it's coming good. Not going to pastry parties doesn't mean you're not an extrovert. It just means
He does his own thing.
You have a tolerance level for fake people. That's why.
You have like
that's kind of low.
Yeah,
that's kind of low. So I can't stand that.
So how do you chill? How do you?
I like it real. I've got a lot of friends from school, college, and we keep it real. We don't talk about film industry things. We don't talk about film. We talk about everything but film industry. I think that's very refreshing. When I spend like 12 hours on a film set, I like to go back to a wife who doesn't talk shop, and also friends who don't talk about films.
Are your friends also like that?
Yes.
Who don't talk about your films, who've not seen your films?
They treat me like I'm a nobody, which I love. I have a lot of friends. Actually, most of my friends are based out of Hyderabad. So whenever I go there, we go to the club, we play ball, we go out for dinners. So I like to keep it that way. I like it simple. Plus my family is like that. Mama कहती है घर के अंदर घुसने के बाद तू झाड़ू पोछा भी करेगी.
Really?
Yeah, I do everything at home.
Yeah.
There's never been a point where I say कि मैं ये नहीं करूँ या नहीं कर सकती. My parents turn around and say, get up, back. Don't even think about saying no.
But that's nice,
It's amazing. I love it. Like when I'm in Bangalore, in all honesty, I use public transport even today. Someone recognizes you, just I wear a hat or something, and someone recognizes you, I just say, no, I'm not Kriti, and they probably don't try and argue it because they're like, why would she be in a bus?
Yeah.
But I do that. I take the bus.
Well, now you said it on Facebook. Like now, next time you go on a bus.
People know this about me.
Yeah.
No, people know this about me. Like people have actually come up to me. Like I take the Volvo to the airport because it's about 40 kilometers. I don't believe in spending. Like I hate polluting the air. So I'm very clear that I won't take a taxi or don't let my dad drop me. I'm like, you're just burning petrol for no reason. I'll take the bus and I'll go. So I do that even today. In fact, when I came to Bombay this time, I was on a bus.
Well, have you ever come on a bus?
In my college days.
Not anymore.
Are you kidding me? Bombay,
No,
you
he
won't
can't.
get to your destination.
Yeah.
And I might get killed on the way.
And plus, if you like really like different kinds of deodorants, you should just put get onto a public.
But it's very important. When I was growing up through my college years, my parents made it a point. I've traveled on trains. My entire college, my 5 years was in trains, buses. I rarely cabbed it or took a rickshaw because it was just fun to kind of do that. So I think that's also an experience you need in Bombay. I might not be able to handle it right now, but I think it's something that you should go through.
I'm loving these two. Before we just end this interview, I think the two most grounded actors. Let's just do a fun activity since your film is around ghosts and scary situations. I'm going to give you situations when you have to tell us कि उस situation में कौन सा character या actor perfect रहेगा. Alright, so the first one is for you since you love public transport. Passenger traveling in local train, last station, midnight, empty platform. Who do you see? An actor or let's talk about a celebrity.
Kangana Ranaut, I think she'll do really well. I love the whole hair and it can just really add character to it.
Are you saying she looks like a booth?
No, she can. She can make a really amazing movie.
Yeah.
Like,
She
come on, I
actually
look like the booth in the
She's
movie.
great.
And
Oh my God, don't get defensive.
no, but
Are you Kangana? God.
I wish
No,
I
she's
could.
actually
She's
played
very
one.
good.
She's played one in my second one.
Which one?
She was in Raj too.
Oh, right.
We can probably call Imran Kadi Hashmi. He's very good at that. Okay, shopping mall. A thief is trying to shop lift in a showroom. Who do you see there?
Is it a sneeze or was that someone screaming? No,
Well, we do have presents here.
yes, we do. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Shopping mall. A thief is trying to shoplift in a showroom. Who do you see there?
God.
Since you were having,
I would see myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've played all the roguish characters. I've played all the unethical, immoral characters. I've played a con man. I've played a match fixer. I've played everything under the sun that's wrong. So I think I'm the only candidate who would end up shoplifting. I'm sorry.
Ramp show, model is walking. Suddenly lights go off and the entire venue is empty. Let's make it fun. Who would you like that model to be? And you're there.
Farhan Akhtar.
Oh,
Yeah.
why do I want to be a female model? That's why you make it more interesting.
She's obviously concerned about you. Let's do it for you as well. Candlelight dinner by the beach, romantic music in the background, girl waiting for her date. Who would you like that?
On beach? the
Yeah,
girl?
yeah,
My God, I'm married, but okay. It was
It's a hypothetical
like
situation.
like a dream. I don't know, Deepika. Yes.
Deepika. Alright, he's definitely going to get a tough thing at home. And before we close this, we have some fan questions for you. Hassan Ansari says, would you like to do a movie with Kareena Kapoor?
Yeah, sure. Sure, I would. I think she's a wonderful actor. I've really admired her work. She's got a wonderful screen presence. We were going to do a film together. That actually, there's some problems in that. But yeah, maybe sometime in the future.
Super. Kriti, which is your favorite Bollywood star? Says Prashant Singh.
Honestly, I know it sounds cliche, but I've
just
always
say-
liked you.
just
On
say his name
screen.
also.
Farhan Akhtar, of course.
You just
but
say that now, yeah.
No, I'll tell you, I love Jannat.
No, she wants him to be a model when she's alone, but she wants to work with you.
Oh, you're in love with Farhan, are you?
No, I'm not in love with
Love is work.
Love is work. I do. No, but Jannat is actually one of my favorite
Okay,
films.
great. Thank you.
Oh wow. Okay, Manish Iyer says, would you like to make a film around your son?
Actually, we're planning something on the lines. It's not a film per se about him, but it's the extension of the book, Kiss of Life, which we're making into a documentary. So in a way, it is kind of a film that's about him, but not.
Okay. Superb. I'm getting more questions, but you know what? We're going to finish this Facebook Live because they have to go and deal with ghosts, and he has to definitely go home and answer the date about Deepika Padukone to his wife. But thank you so much for being with us. I would request you all to please share it on your Facebook page, and if you can
Yes.
reply to your fans later
Of
on.
course.
Thank you so much. All the best for Raj
Thank
Reboot
you.
and your debut.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Alright, Garjao, questions likho, they will reply.